Hi everyone, if you're over 40 and looking to earn extra income without a huge learning curve, you're in the right place. Social media side hustles aren't just for the younger crowd, they're perfect for anyone willing to learn a few tricks. Today I'm sharing some social media side hustles that are ideal for people over 40, whether you're tech savvy or just getting started. Stay tuned until the end and I'll show you how to get access to our online courses and resources designed to get you up and running really quickly. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is social media management for small businesses. Many small businesses need someone reliable to manage their social media accounts, but often they don't have the time or the expertise. This is where you can come in. Social media management involves creating highly engaging posts, responding to comments, and keeping the account active and engaging. It's all about building a community and keeping the brand really visible. You don't need to be an expert to get started. You just need to understand the basics of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. For instance, if you've ever posted pictures or shared updates with friends and family, you already have the foundational skills that you will need. I suggest that you start by offering your services to local businesses or through freelancing sites like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. One of the great things about this side hustle is that it can grow into a full-time income stream. A friend of mine started managing social media for a local bakery and now has over 10 clients, all from referrals, and the best part, you can set your own rates and work from anywhere that you want. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Pinterest is an underrated platform for affiliate marketing, especially for those over 40 who have a wealth of experience to share. Unlike other social media, Pinterest acts more like a search engine where users actively look for solutions. If you love creating boards, you can start pinning affiliate links to products that you like and that you recommend, earning commissions when someone makes a purchase. I recommend that you focus on niches that resonate well with you and that have a lot of demand in the market, like home decor, gardening, or health and wellness. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, you can create a board for kitchen gadgets and link to affiliate products on Amazon, for example. It's a great way to turn your hobbies into an income. You don't need a blog or a large following to get started. I recommend that you use Pinterest to drive traffic directly to the affiliate links. You need to be consistent with pinning and utilize keywords that help your pins to get discovered. The income might start small, but with time and consistency, it can turn into a significant revenue stream. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is creating content for YouTube. YouTube isn't just for the younger crowd, it's an amazing platform for anyone willing to share their knowledge or their experiences. Whether it's tutorials, advice, or lifestyle content, there's an audience for every niche. People over 40 have a unique perspective that's often missing on the platform. I recommend that you start by creating videos on topics that you're passionate about, like financial advice, DIY projects, or even sharing your career experience. For example, if you're great at budgeting, why not share some good helpful tips for managing money over 40? The key is to be authentic and consistent with your uploads. I recommend that you monetize your channel through ads, affiliate marketing, or by promoting your own products and services. Don't worry about having a fancy setup. A smartphone and good lighting are all you need to get started. Over time, you can improve your equipment as your channel grows. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants, otherwise known as VAs, are in high demand, especially for business owners who need some help managing tasks like scheduling, email management, and customer support. This side hustle is really perfect if you're organised, detail-oriented, and have good communication skills. I recommend that you start by offering your services on platforms like freelancer.com or connect with small business owners who may need some help. For example, if you're familiar with tools like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace, you already have the skills needed to help manage someone's business. You can niche down by offering specialised services like social media management, email marketing, or even bookkeeping. One of my friends, who was a former office manager, transitioned into a VA role and now makes more than she did at her full-time job, all from home. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to sell digital products on Etsy. Etsy isn't just for crafts, it's also a great platform to sell digital products like printables, planners, and digital artwork. If you have skills in design or know how to use tools like Canva, you can create digital products once and sell them repeatedly without any inventory. Think about what you can create that solves a problem or helps someone in some way. For example, meal planners, workout guides, or even digital greeting cards are popular products on Etsy. And the best part, once a customer buys, the delivery is automated, allowing you to earn passive income. This side hustle is great because it requires minimal upfront investment and can grow over time. I know someone who started by selling simple budget trackers and now makes thousands per month. It's all about finding your niche and creating products that people want to buy. Let me now give you tip number 6, which is to start a podcast. Podcasting has exploded in popularity and it's never too late to start your own show. I recommend that you share your expertise, interview interesting guests, or discuss topics that you're passionate about. You don't need to be a tech guru. Platforms like Anchor make it very easy to record and publish. I recommend that you pick a niche that resonates with you and your target audience and has a lot of demand. For example, if you have a background in HR, you could start a podcast giving career advice for people over 40. Podcasts are great because they build a loyal audience and can be monetized through sponsorships and listener support. A friend of mine started a podcast focused on navigating midlife and now has thousands of downloads per episode. The key is to be consistent and offer high value in every episode. The opportunities for growth and monetization are endless once you establish your audience. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is coaching or consulting on social media. If you have experience in a particular field, I recommend that you offer coaching or consulting services on social media platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn. Many people are willing to pay for personalized advice, whether it's career coaching, life coaching, or even business consulting. I recommend that you use your social media presence to showcase your expertise and connect with potential clients. For example, if you have experience in marketing, you could create content around common pitfalls and problems and tips for small businesses. You can then offer one-on-one consulting calls for deeper and more personalized help. Coaching doesn't require any fancy certifications, just a willingness to help others and a passion for your field. Many coaches start by offering free content, then upsell to paid services. This can quickly turn into a lucrative side hustle as your reputation grows. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is freelance writing for blogs and social media. Freelance writing is a fantastic option if you enjoy crafting content. There's a high demand for writers who can create blog posts, social media captions, and email newsletters. If you have a knack for writing and enjoy research, this could be a perfect fit. I recommend that you focus on industries that interest you, like health, finance, or lifestyle. For instance, if you're knowledgeable about healthy living, you can pitch articles to wellness blogs. You can start by writing for free or for low rates, but as your portfolio grows, you can then charge more. Platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, and Container are great places to find writing gigs. A friend of mine began writing social media content for a local fitness trainer and has since expanded to writing for multiple clients, earning a comfortable side income. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is influencer marketing on niche platforms. You don't need a massive following to be an influencer. Niche platforms like TikTok or Instagram allow you to build a dedicated audience even with smaller numbers. Brands are often looking for micro-influencers who are authentic and can connect with a specific audience. I recommend that you choose a niche that suits your lifestyle, like wellness, fashion for over 40s, or even travel tips. I then recommend that you share content that resonates with your audience, and you'll start attracting brand partnerships. For example, if you're passionate about skincare, you could work with brands that target mature skin. As an influencer, you can earn through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and brand collaborations. Remember, authenticity is the key. People over 40 bring a unique perspective that's highly valued by brands looking to connect with a more mature audience. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is social media customer service representative. Companies are increasingly outsourcing their customer service roles to social media platforms, and this is a fantastic side hustle if you enjoy helping others and have good communication skills. You'll respond to customer inquiries, handle complaints, and manage direct messages on platforms like Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This role requires patience and a knack for problem solving, but it's perfect if you have experience in customer service or just love interacting with people. For example, if you're handling customer inquiries for a small e-commerce store, you could be helping troubleshoot order issues, answering questions about products, or even directing customers to the right resources. The beauty of this job is that you can do it remotely and often on a very flexible schedule. You can find opportunities on job boards like Indeed or through companies that specialise in customer service outsourcing such as Live World. It's a great way to earn steady income while utilising skills that you likely already have. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.